Make a great choice today with the 2019 Leaf. The Nissan Leaf, or leading, environmentally friendly, affordable family car, is an electric car you can truly feel good about driving. Zero emissions plus zero gasoline equal more green on the road and more green in your wallet, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, security system, fog lights. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.